Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about infographic submission and off-page SEO technique. Whatever the things that we do outside the website just to get the traffic to the website or maybe to keep our website onto the top of the Google search engine results page can be called as off-page SEO, right? So when it comes to the infographic submission, we will be creating and sharing the visually appealing informative graphics, which means infographics on various websites just to attract the viewers. While we are posting this informative graphics, we will be keeping the website URL so that it can act as a backlink. Anybody who likes the infographics that we have kept, and if they click on our website link, they will be redirected to our website. By doing that, we will be getting the traffic to our website. Maybe some of you might not know what do I exactly mean by informative graphics or in short term infographics. What I want to do, I want to quickly navigate to Google and then I want to search for informative graphics, and here I want to click on images so that we can see all the informative graphics, which means these owners are not typing anything in the form of content and they are just placing the images so that anybody who looks at this particular image, they will understand what exactly in this image, and if they really wanted to get into the website to know more about the details, they will directly click on visit and then they will be landed on the particular website. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by infographics. Now it is the time for us to learn how we can create an informative graphics or infographics. So we are going to make an use of the website called Canva. So I want to quickly open the browser and then either in the Google search bar or maybe in the URL we can search for canva.com. And if you are a new user, all you have to do is you have to sign up for the very first time and it will be very easy. And once you have logged in into the Canva, all you have to do is in the very top of the website, you will find the search bar, and here you have to search for infographic poster. And when you click on this particular option, you will be able to see lot of informative posters. All you have to do is you have to find the right informative graphic poster which you really like the most for your business or service or product, and then you have to click on any particular infographic poster. And once you click on it, maybe I want to choose this particular poster for my click and capture studio business. What I have to do, I want to click on customize this particular template, and when I click on customize, it will take me to this particular page where I can edit the text, where I can upload different images, and where I can place my website details, and finally where I can even upload the images. It is very simple. All we have to do is we can make an use of these particular options just to edit. And when it comes to the text, we can directly double click and then we can start typing whatever the information that we really want. Alright, and if I want to replace the image, I can click on this image. Maybe I can delete the image, and from the left side we can click on elements and then we can search for the appropriate logo, and then we can drag and drop and paste it exactly here. It is so simple. So what I have did, in the new tab, I have already created one of the infographic poster related to Click and Capture Studio, and I have given the main heading as how to plan your dream wedding photography. And here I have placed 3 different options. Maybe for the wedding photography, they have to choose the right style, right? Pick traditional candid cinematic photography to match your vibe, and you have to book in advance your photographer early just to avoid the last minute stress. And then the third option I have just kept like plan key moments. Now what I want to do, I want to download this particular image, and also I have posted the Click and Capture Studio logo. All we have to do is we have to click on the share button and then we have to click on download, and here we have to choose the file type. There will be a lot of file types in Canva, and that's the beauty of Canva. Out of which I want to choose PNG, and then I want to click on download. The download has been started and it will save just in 5 to 10 seconds of time to my laptop. And once it is saved, what I have to do, I want to navigate to the Pinterest website. So quickly I want to navigate to the browser and then I want to open a new tab, and here I want to search for Pinterest. Always remember that Pinterest is one of the infographic submission sites. We have already learned about the Pinterest, right? How we can create the business account in Pinterest and how we can upload the images in Pinterest and so on. And here I want to give you some of the infographic submission site list. Pinterest is one of it. Reddit, visual.ly, flickr.com, infographicssite.com, behance.net, and few other infographic submission sites. All you have to do is in the Google, you have to search for infographic submission sites and you will find the list, out of which Pinterest is one of the best thing. So I want to click on Pinterest now, And then if you are new user, all you have to do is you have to click on sign up. You have to give your name, email, and then the password. You will be logged in into the Pinterest. If you already have an account in the Pinterest, all you have to do is you have to click on the login button, and then either you can enter your email and password, or maybe the best thing is we can continue with Google account. And I want to click on continue with Google, and then I want to choose my Gmail ID. It is so simple. I have landed directly on the Pinterest homepage. Now here we can see Pinterest Business Hub, right? Maybe if you are new to Pinterest and if you have logged in for the very first time, you might not be able to see this particular page. You will be able to see all the images. And it is very simple to create the Business Hub account in Pinterest. It will take only 1 minute of time. I have already did the video especially for how to create a business account in Pinterest. I will be keeping the link in the description. So if you are new, I want you to follow that video and create a business account, and then continue following this particular video. Now here I want to click on Business Hub, and here I can see an option to create a pin, which means to create an image. And in our scenario, it is going to be the infographic image. I want to click on create pin, and then I want to click on choose a file, so that I will be uploading the infographic image directly from my laptop onto the Pinterest. I have uploaded the image, and now it is the time for us to give some of the information: title, description, link, and then we can click on publish. It is so simple. So I want to add the details right away. So quickly I want to open the notepad, and then I have already filled all the information in the notepad. So the very first title is going to be how to plan your dream wedding photography click and capture studio. I want to paste it here. And when it comes to the description, I have given the description here. Let me take the copy of it, and then I want to paste it right here, so that anybody who wants to understand what this image is about, they will be reading the description. And clearly it is stating that description is too long, only the first 800 characters will be displayed. Maybe I want to remove these 2 lines. Let's see. It is all right. And then we have to add the link, which will act as a backlink to our website click and capture studio. So I can take the copy of the website URL, and then I want to paste it right here. And then I want to choose the board. In the video where I have explained how to create a business profile on Pinterest, I have explained what do I mean by a board. Board is nothing but the categories that we can keep in the Pinterest, out of which we can choose the appropriate board. Now this particular image is related to click and capture studio, right? So I will be choosing the option click and capture studio. And if it is maybe related to Edurself, if I create a new category or the board in the Pinterest Edurself, I will be choosing that particular option. And for now I want to choose CNC. And finally we can even have the option to add the tags. What I want to do, I want to quickly take the copy of the tags, wedding photography ideas, and then I want to click on comma, or maybe I want to paste the remaining tags as well. And just give me 1 moment. I want to paste each and every tag that I have created. And once I have posted all the tags, I want to scroll down a little bit by clicking on more options, and here there is nothing much to left to fill the details. All we have to do is, if we want to publish this particular infographic post at a later date, we can choose this option. If not, directly we can click on publish, and it will be live. As we can see, your pin has been published, and we do have the view option. Alright, all we have to do is we have to click on your profile, and then it will be taking us to this page where we can see all the pins that we have created, out of which this is the recent pin that we have created, right? And then I want to click on this pin. It will take me to this page where I can see the heading, and maybe if I click on more, it will show all the description about this particular pin. Here we can see the infographic information, and if anybody really would like to visit our website, either they can start typing by having a look at this website, or maybe they can directly click on the backlink which we have placed. So it is so simple that we can make an use of the infographic, submission, and off-page SEO technique. And in the next video, I will talk about the purpose, SEO benefits, and where to submit, and finally the best practices in a very clear way, and it will be very short and simple. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, you can find the digital marketing playlist on Edurself YouTube channel, where I have did 100+ videos which will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.